seated. Let us take anthem from Christ Methodist Choir. Christ Methodist Choir. As Christ Methodist Choir will be singing, please, the family should prepare for a very brief testimony to the life of our late father. Thank you.